This video demonstrates how to create surfaces and measure volumes in Trimble Business Center version 3.10. In the view, you can see data collected by the Trimble VX spatial station consisting of point clouds, topo points, as well as the images collected from the camera on board of the VX spatial station. In order to create a surface from a point cloud or any CAD objects for that matter, you can go to CAD group and say create surface. You can call a surface stockpile and define also the classification of the surface and select members that will create the surface. We say apply. You see the surface has been created, and you can see the plan view, 3D view, as well as the individual station view here. We want to clean up our surface, and we want to use a polyline that's determining the surface edge. In order to do that, in the plan view, we can simply right click on a surface and say add remove surface members. We need to define the members of the surface and say add. You will notice the surface has been cleaned and all the area around the polyline determining the surface edge has been trimmed. In order to measure volume from a surface, we can simply go to a measure volume command, and in fact here we're not going to measure volume from a surface, but we're going to do that by directly selecting a point cloud. For that purpose, we're going to turn our surface off and make a point cloud selection and determine our cell size, the display options. As a reference elevation, we can choose any of the points and select measure. As you can notice, the gridded mesh surface has been created, as well as the volume information is displayed above the reference elevation as well as below the reference elevation. That concludes our video on how to create surfaces and measure volumes in Trimble Business Center version 3.10.